Kwimo yezulu bibanda iimbaleki eziphuma apha eMzantsi Afrika kunye namazwe asemazantsi ase-Afrika zithathe inxaxheba kumdyarho wama-21 oqale ePollock's Beach eSummerstrand waze waphela kwalapho. Kwicala lamadoda uKamohelo Mofolo oyinzalelwane yaseLesotho uphumelele ngeeyure enemizuzu engama-50, ze kwicala labasetyhini uLavania Haithope waseNamibia ungene ezintanjeni ngeyure enemizuzu eli-14. Loo nto yabenza iintshatsheli ze-NMB Half Marathon kulo nyaka.
I'm feeling so happy to win this race. That was my target from training to win this race. My target is to run a national record under 60 minutes 17. I was targeting to run 60 minutes 10 seconds, but I failed to run this time.
I'm very happy with my time, 1 hour 14, and it was not easy. The course is tough. It's hill up and down, and I'm very happy with my position.
Lo mdyarho we-NMB Half Marathon utsala umdla weembaleki zaphesheya. uTaiki Suzuki waseJapan uthi ubumhle lo mdyarho.
This is my first race in South Africa, so the climate is good and the course is very nice. My next race is a marathon for Germany on September, so today is a good competition for me, and here is very nice view, and I was feeling very nice. Yes, so I tried it my best.
Usodolophu kunye nelungu lekomiti lezemidlalo NMB bathi bayalivuyela elithuba lokuba esixeko sisingathe lo mdyarho.
We even have international runners that are participating here, and this is good for our city economically and also in terms of its prospects for being a sport events city. So we are quite excited, and we are going to continue as a city to support fully.
It has been a success. The number has raised by 40%. Through these races, this is one of our legacy projects that we are supporting as a municipality. We are very happy to say that it has grown, and we are hoping that we'll be able to host more numbers next year as well.
Umlawuli walo mdyarho uMichael Bambani uthi liyakhula izinga labantu abathatha inxaxheba kulo mdyarho.
Reaching a maximum entries in terms of our allocation, we had over 2,500 entries. We had a max cap of 28, and when we ran out of race numbers, we knew then that is exactly where we were supposed to be.
Iimbaleki eziphume phambili zifumene iimali zegolide kunye nama-40 eerandi kwiindaba ze-MPK TV. NdinguLinge Gcwabe eSummerstrand eGqeberha.